What's good guys, this is Azim Wali and I am back with another video. I hope you are all having a great day, and in today's video I am going to take you through a few exercises on how to get a chest like Brad Pitt from Fight Club. So with that being said, let's get on! Now, we all at some point have desired to get a physique like the heroes that we see in the movies. Personally, Brad Pitt has one of the greatest upper chests, and one of the things that happens in the Hollywood as well as Bollywood is the actor always has a good chest, the actor always has a good shoulder, the actor always has good triceps. So one of the things that you'll always notice is they'll always have a big upper chest. They don't focus a lot on the lower chest, because when you look at someone, the first thing that you focus on is their upper chest and not their lower chest. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exercises on how to get your upper chest to grow faster and to actually look the role, to actually look like your upper chest is looking like Brad Pitt. So with that being said, let's get on to the first exercise. That is going to be a bit higher position push-ups. And what I mean by that is your hand positioning isn't going to be in alignment with your body while you're performing your push-ups. Your hands are going to be placed a bit away and far from your body. As you can see in this video right here, your hands are going to be placed a bit far away from your body so that you can actually isolate your upper chest. You can actually focus on contracting your upper chest. But if you are a beginner, this exercise is going to be a bit tougher for you guys, but don't lose hope. What you can do is you can build up to this exercise. How you can do that is by doing the basic 20 to 30 reps of the basic push-ups first, and you get yourself warmed up through that, right? You get yourself warmed up through that. Then you build up to these push-ups. So as you can see in this video, you have to place your arms a bit farther away from your body, and then you have to perform these push-ups. So now how you are going to perform these push-ups is you are going to perform these for like 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. So with that being said, let's move on to the next exercise. Now, talking about the next exercise, that is going to be your incline back press. Now, if you have the dumbbells, if you have access to the dumbbells, then you don't need to perform it this way. But if you are someone who does not have access to dumbbells, then this exercise is going to work for you. And the reason why I'm saying that is because you can actually add weights to the bag. If you don't have any weights at your home at all, any plates or anything like that, then all the books that you have accumulated through your childhood up till now, add all of those books into those bags, and then let's perform this exercise together. Now what you guys are going to do here is you are going to add as much weight as possible for you. For the rep range that I am going to be giving you, that is going to be 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Now you are going to add as heavy as weight possible for the rep range given. Now the next thing that you are going to do is you are not going to flare your elbows out. As you can see in this video, you are not going to flare your elbows out a lot. You are not going to tuck your elbows in a lot. All you have to do is you have to keep your elbow position neutral. As you can see right here, all you have to do is you have to keep your elbow position neutral. The other thing that you guys are going to do is, as you can see in this video, you have to keep your butt in the air. And the reason why I'm saying that is because if you don't have access to the bench, then this is something you have to apply. If you have an access to the bench, then you don't have to worry about this either. But as you can see in this video, all of the tips I've given you are right here. And for the sets and reps that you are going to perform for this exercise, it's going to be 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Go as heavy as possible for the rep range. Now, when we're talking about getting the Hollywood and Bollywood physiques, the top physiques, one of the things is it's not easy to achieve those physiques. It's not easy to achieve the Brad Pitt chest. What we are going to do in the next exercise, that is going to be your decline push-ups. We are going to add a bit of a modification to it. Once again, we are going to put on the bag that I just talked about, and we are going to add more freaking weight to it. And then we are going to perform this exercise. And how we are going to perform this exercise is, as you can see in this video, we are going to perform this exercise for 3 sets of at least 8 to 10 reps. But the other thing that we have to do here is we are going to perform this exercise in a tempo. What I mean by that is we are going to go down in the 4-second negative. And what I mean by 4-second negatives is while you are performing the movement, while you are going down, you have to go down at the count of 4, 3, 2, 1, as you can see in this video. And then while you are coming up, you have to come up in the count of 3. So how you are going to come up is 3, 2, 1, and that is going to be your 1 rep. And this exercise you are going to have to perform for at least 8 to 10 reps, because we need to get that upper chest to actually get pumped up, to actually get ready, to actually get primed. And to do that, you have to actually hit it as effectively as possible. And the other thing that we are also focusing on is we are trying to build as much muscle as possible in the upper chest area. So we have to modify the movements. We have to do things that are going to be harder, that are going to make us push harder, so that we can actually push ourselves to the failure. And that is what is going to actually help the muscle contract better. That is what is going to help the tissue break down. And that is what is going to help the chest grow better, a lot faster. So the third exercise is going to be the decline push-ups. Now moving on to the first exercise and the last exercise, that is going to be your wall push-ups. So as you guys can see in this video, now this exercise is a bit on the tougher side of the exercises, but still it is not impossible to do so. So once again, if you are a beginner, it's going to be a bit harder for you to do the exercise. So what I would recommend, if you are not able to perform this exercise, then stick with the decline push-up and add more tempo to it. So while you are going down, go down in 6-second negatives. And what I mean by the 6-second negatives is while you're going down, go down in the 6-second tempo. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. As you can see in this video. And while you are coming up, come in the 4-second tempo. So it's going to be like 1, 2, 3, 4. And with that being said, this is going to be the last exercise, that is going to be your wall push-ups. Now talking about wall push-ups, this is a bit tough. But once again, it's going to very massively hit your upper chest, and we want to grow our upper chest as soon as possible so that we can actually get the chest like Brad Pitt. Now with that being said guys, I'm going to end today's video right here. If you actually enjoyed this video, show some love by liking this video. Comment down in the comment section below if you have any further queries or if you have any further video recommendations. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also press on the notification bell. Until next time, have a nice day guys. See you.